see. Yes, I have changed my channel name from ecompro.shuayb to this. Now there is a reason for that. Even though the channel name will remain this new one, but my brand name will still remain ecompro.shuayb. There is something important, interesting that I want to show you quickly. Let's say you are applying for a job. Now this is a job available right now. Okay, now there is a common problem a lot of people are facing in UAE and other places, that they are fake jobs, fake companies, or scams. So you have to be careful. And they obviously, there are some legit and authentic companies, a lot of them, but there are a couple of scam companies as well. These are mostly startups and people who are not registered yet, and they just hope to hire you and make money out of you. But the problem is that what's happening in the market in general, that they will hire you, they will not do a proper legal contract, and they will also not pay you. So this is wasting the time of a lot of precious time and money of our people from different nationalities. And obviously you can imagine the impact on the mental health and the financial health of a family because of this problem. So I thought I will do this quick video to teach you how you can leverage on the power of AI. And this is something I discovered recently, and this is amazing, because you have to keep following my channel, because a lot of amazing tools and features and you know uh, advanced software, productivity software is being released every other day. And so even though it's very challenging to keep up, but you can simply, you know I will try my best, the best humanly possible, to learn and apply and benefit and make money, and then share that with you so that you can make money as well. All right. So rest assured, these are not those cliche videos. Okay, so what you will do is, let's say we are talking about this job. So you simply come to this and you copy this name, company name. Okay, and then you go to any AI. You go to any AI. So let's say we are talking about, uh, you know, Bard. Let's say we're talking about Bard, Google Bard. So what I'll do is I'll ask AI now to verify this company. Can you please verify this company for me, if it is a genuine company hiring right now in Dubai, UAE, and here is the company name. Let's see what it says. Yes, ASEAN Properties is a genuine company hiring right now in Dubai. They have been in business since 2005 and have a good reputation in the real estate industry. They are currently hiring for variety positions, including real estate agents, sales consultants, property managers. They have a website that is well designed, informative, and they have a LinkedIn page with over 1,000 followers. And they are listed on several job boards, and their positive reviews. Okay, so this is the first plus sign. So now there is a process. Actually, I have a process, a checklist of what you should do to verify a company. So this is the first thing, that you can use AI, but don't blindly rely on AI, because AI can be fake. AI can, give you wrong information. So mostly with time, it's getting better, it's getting more accurate, but still at times it gives wrong information. For it's important for you to verify. Okay. So next thing you will do is you just go to Google and you will type SEN Properties and check out their website. Okay, so look, here is their. They have got just 4 Google reviews, and you can have a look at their website. The Bay Gate Business Bay. Okay, they are in Business Bay. So you click website from here, and you study the website. This is their website. Let's find your perfect home for you. Okay, so you quickly check the website, and it's important that you check the home page, about us, and contact. These three things are important. Okay, home, about us, and make sure you go down on the website, the footer. Go to the footer and see if there are terms and conditions, and go through these terms and conditions. Okay, quickly go through these terms and conditions. See, they have fake, they don't have proper terms and conditions. But maybe this is a new website. So, but this is a negative sign. You can see this is the first negative sign. So you write in your diary and you simply put first red flag. This is the first red flag. Then contact. You also check out contact us. They have, seems to be a UK phone number and US location, and Abdul Rahman Gmail. Okay, it's not even a proper company email. Okay, no business email. There is no business email. This is another red flag. Red flag number two. I've already shown you red flag one and two. Now they have email and a mobile number and business office. So maybe they are a new company and they have not sorted these things out. So no problem. It could be the case. I won't say this is a fake company yet, but yes, I would be, you know, kind of doubtful uh, if they are like. And then second thing you can do is you can just, you know, you can email them. So this is their email. You can just email them and ask for their registration number, their commercial number, and once you get their commercial number or by email, then you can go to the DED website and check over there. Also, you can check by posting, I mean, copy pasting the number here and check verifying if this company is a LLC, it's a genuine company. And from here, you can search any company which is registered in DED in UAE. And also, this is a very important step. Most people don't do this step, and they later on they suffer. And another thing, so you can even search trade names. Okay, now this is real estate, right? You can write, you can choose real estate from here. Real estate. Uh, Where is real estate? Come on. Mhm. How about we choose management consulting as, yeah, properties. Just double check the name. ASEAN Properties. ASEAN Properties. Try to search here. Another thing you can do is you can ask. There is no brand name reserved with this name. See, now you can ask AI. Is this company registered with DD? This is a very important question. See, it cannot help you with that. No problem. These are limitations of AI, and you can check cloud and other AIs, and maybe they will give you a better response. But here, you will just take their, as I mentioned to you, call them or email them, ask them their commercial license, and then just copy paste here and search for them. If their name shows up, then that means it's a genuine company. Okay, and because every legal company has a commercial license. And yep, that's about it. That's it for this video. All I wanted to show you how to verify um companies, if they are genuine or not. And for now, this is enough of red flags. But obviously, there is a lot more that I can tell you that can be done. But this is enough for now, as a basic level, just to see if the company is good enough to actually go for an interview. So if they don't reply you by email, they don't send you a genuine trade license number, or they don't respond properly on call, then don't go. Please don't go. Don't waste your time. They are just going to ask you money, or they are going to waste your time. Okay. So only uh, I had my fair share of this, and there are many other people who are complaining on Facebook, and they also face this thing. Hundreds of people. I met hundreds of people and thousands of people complaining this. See, your time is very precious. You have to be very careful which company you are working with, because then you will be giving away your time. You will be dedicating a major part of your life to them. So make sure that a company is worth working for. Okay. And here you can also ask AI which are the top genuine company, top 5 genuine companies hiring in Dubai right now. You should actually ask what are the top 5 companies hiring in Dubai right now. It says Emirates Airlines, Dubai Airports, Emaar Properties, Dubai Holding, DP World. These are the 5 main companies hiring. Okay, and then you can go on and be very specific. Whichever domain, industry, niche you want to target, you can ask that anyway. So that's it for this video. And if you did not understand or you need my help, then you can just get in touch. You know, uh, you can contact on my LinkedIn profile. It's my LinkedIn profile. You can contact here, and you can just go here. This is my link tree, and from here you'll find everything. My Facebook page, my email. If you want to set up a call, 15-minute call, discovery call. If you want to view my digital design portfolio, if you want to visit my blogs or website, everything is here. Okay. All right then. Let's close it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.